Let's start by combining graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and just a little bit of sugar for some added sweetness. Mix them up really well. Want to make sure all of that lovely butter combines with the crumbs because this is going to be your pie crust. So measure all of the graham cracker crumbs into the pie plate. You can use a fork or a spoon, whatever's easier. And then I just use a glass to make sure that you've pushed the graham cracker crumbs right into all the nooks and crannies of the pie pan. And you can use your fingers. So slice up 3 lemons. We're going to juice the lemons. Make sure you get all those little pits out. And then we're going to grate the leftover lemons to make about a tablespoon of zest, and we'll end up with 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. Add a cup of cream, pour in that lovely sweetened condensed milk, just a touch of vanilla, and mix it all up. That's it. Pour the filling in. Just spread it around. When you're making whipped cream, I always recommend chilling the beaters and the bowl. And I do that for meringue as well. It just makes the mixture whip up. It makes everything it just works really well. So 35% whipping cream, 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and that's it. Just a hand mixer is all you need. But you have to plug it in first. So there's our no-bake lemon tart. So let's have a taste. Really good. Fresh and tart. The lemon is amazing. And you know, sweetened condensed milk can be overpowering, but not in this case. It adds just the right level of sweetness. A little bit of whipped cream on the edges. I know I'm not a proficient decorator, but I wanted to add a little bit. You could use Cool Whip or even the real whipping cream that you can get at your grocery store. Just do a little edging or maybe something more complicated. Anyway, I've been wanting to make this for a while and I can't wait to share it with my readers. If you're not a subscriber yet or have signed up for my newsletter, there's lots of ways to do that on the website and get some really cool free stuff too. But I'll put a link in the video below. And I look forward to sharing more recipes with you soon. Really good.